Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin. If you don't know, now you know, and I just wanted to stop by, say a quick hello, and let you know what was going on. I shared with you guys here a few weeks ago that we are going to Zambia, and we've been doing a fundraiser. We did a book party. We've been doing like all kinds of stuff. So anyways, I have an update on that I wanted to attach, so I'm going to put that on at the end of here. But I just want to take a second, say hi, miss y'all. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, let everybody know. If you still want to contribute to that trip, you are able to do so. You can visit phohio.com, online giving, and you can give towards a special offering, and that will go directly towards the mission trip that we are taking to Zambia, Africa. You can also reach out to me. I can give you my, Cash App, PayPal, whatever. I take all that stuff, Facebook Pay. So anyways, I will let you get on to seeing the update, and I will see y'all later. Love you. Hey guys, I don't know if any of you are even going to go on and see this. And seriously, forgive my whole everything. I've been sick. I've got pink eye in both eyes. Can't wear any makeup. Can't wear my contacts. She's got pink eye. It's just a whole mess. But guys, I just got home and I just got all these books in from the party. All these books that I'm going to take over to Africa, and you guys, I am so floored. I had to come on here, Talia. Okay, I'm talking. Okay. I had to come on here and just be like, you guys, this is incredible to me. I'm so excited to take these books over. Hold on. Move, Samara. Talia. Hi. Please stop until I'm done. And then you can have it, okay? They can't hear me when you're doing this. So I just want to take a quick second and just be like, showing you guys what I got, just so you guys can see what you made possible. I've got, so I didn't tell you guys how this all went down, but basically, someone from my upline reached out to me and offered to send me more free books in lieu of me having to pay for the half-price books, so that the money that we were going to put towards the half-price books we can turn around and put towards the trip, which was an incredible blessing to me. And so we have double the free books that we were going to have. So I'm just going to show you a few of what I've got here. Not going to go through all of them, but just to show you some. I've got some of these Year of Writing books, lots of these, Bug in a Rug, Yoga Animals. Most of these are for little kids, but I know that I ordered some that were for bigger kids too. We've got more Year of Writing, 2 animals to spot, lots of these, doodling animals. That will be so fun for little kids who are aspiring artists. We've got Hyena Ballerina. We've got, let's see, Mind Your Manners, Oceans, Kangaroo at the Zoo, more Kangaroo at the Zoo, comparisons of big and small, more of those, more Oceans, more Hyena Ballerina, Can I Join Your Club, Mind Your Manners, and more of these. So let me see the other box I've got over here. I think these are a lot of the earlier readers, so the younger to middle-aged kids who enjoy playing with toys. When I was in Zambia, I found that books were very scarce. And actually, even when you buy books over there, they're quite expensive. And so it's common to have one book that gets passed around until pages are falling out and the cover is all dog-eared and everything. And so for me, that was really cool to have this specific gift for them, because they can use these books and love these books, and like they're so precious to them, and they teach them how to read in English, so in school, so that's exciting. So I've got Night Sky, Things to Spot, Baby's First Touchy Feely, and mini fingerprinting book. I've got these wipe clean books, ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. I've got some more doodling books, all different sizes. I thought these would be really cool to give to like some of the older kids, because they really take you on like some fun adventures in learning how to draw different things. So I thought that would be cool. We've got astronaut sticker books, and I can draw animals. My kids have this and they love this book. And that's a 9-year-old and a 7-year-old that use that one. And now there's an I Can Draw People as well. So I've got that. I bought this First Phonics Reading Library, and I was thinking that I can take all these books out and hand them out individually. And so like that's really exciting, because that's a whole bunch of books in there. And then we've got another box set. These are Olivia's Secret Scribbles. These are mini chapter books that I thought, yeah, my 7-year-old and my 9-year-old alike, they love these. And so I think these would be really fun for like some of the older kids, because I know like a lot of the younger kids had more like options. So I tried to get something like for all the age groups. And we've got a couple of more sticker books. We've got, oh, princesses and ballerinas both. And then I've got the Finger Wiggly Octopus. I actually picked this out with one of the kids in particular in my head. More Night Sky books. The Planet Solar System. And we've got the Pirate Coloring books. And then one more drawing book. And I have, hold on. There's upstairs a basket of books on my computer table that I already got in that I wanted to put with these. So I want to show you guys those too. Guys, I'm like freaking out excited. Like I'm literally so excited to take these books. Oh, this one is one you can have. This is the catalog. We got a catalog in all the boxes that we got. And also, this is new. Paper pie little cardboard thing. I kind of thought it was a sticker, but it's not. So, oh my goodness. Sit on my feet. Oh, okay. Let me see that. Okay, I got these here that I wanted to take over. I've got a couple more doodling and sticker books here that I'm going to put in here.
I have a book.
I've got Cow Takes a Bow.
It's about
Rainy, Talia, I'm talking, honey. I've got these 3 books to put in there, and then that was it. So, guys, I just wanted to pop on here and show you guys. I will post a picture below. But guys, this is amazing. You guys did this. You guys blessed so many kids in Africa who are going to get to read books for fun that are not just school books for probably the first time in their lives. And I'm so excited to be able to bring that to them and show that to them. So thank you to all of you. You guys made an incredible thing possible. So thank you. Love you guys.